Nestled within the pristine wilderness of Canaima National Park in Venezuela, the magnificent Angel Falls awaits with its unparalleled grandeur. Located in the southeastern region of the country, Angel Falls cascades down from the towering Auyantepui, one of the mystical tepuis that dominate the landscape. With its soaring height and breathtaking natural beauty, Angel Falls stands as a testament to the raw power and enchanting allure of South America's natural wonders. Welcome back to the Travel Guide. In today's video, we will be unveiling the majesty of Angel Falls. Angel Falls, located in the heart of Venezuela's Canaima National Park, is one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on Earth. It is the tallest waterfall in the world, cascading from a staggering height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet, and boasting a mesmerizing drop that will leave any spectator breathless. Named after Jimmy Angel, a daring aviator who was the first to fly over this magnificent waterfall in 1933. Angel Falls, or Salto Angel as it's known locally, is a true testament to the beauty and power of nature. To witness the grandeur of Angel Falls, one must embark on an unforgettable journey through the unspoiled Venezuelan rainforest. The adventure begins with a thrilling flight over the vast savannas and tepuis, tabletop mountains, that dominate the landscape. As the aircraft soars higher, the sight of the towering Auyantepui, the flat-top mountain from which Angel Falls descends, comes into view. It is from the sheer cliff face of this ancient tepui that the waters of the Churon River plunge with unrivaled force and grace, creating a spectacle that captivates all who witness it. Upon landing, travelers must navigate the dense jungle on foot, guided by experienced local guides who possess an intimate knowledge of the terrain. The trek can be arduous, but it is rewarded with stunning vistas and encounters with a rich biodiversity of flora and fauna. After a challenging hike, visitors arrive at the viewpoint that offers the best vantage point to behold Angel Falls in all its splendor. The first glimpse of the free-falling water surrounded by mist and enveloped in an ethereal atmosphere is a moment of sheer awe. The sheer height of the waterfall is difficult to comprehend, as the water seemingly defies gravity on its descent, transforming into a mesmerizing plume of mist before reaching the pool below. The sheer power and beauty of the cascading water create an otherworldly experience, leaving observers humbled by nature's majesty. For those seeking a more immersive encounter with Angel Falls, a boat ride up the Churon River offers a closer perspective. As the boat maneuvers through the river's rapids and rocky channels, the mist from the waterfall gradually envelopes the passengers, heightening the anticipation. As the boat approaches the base of the falls, the thunderous roar grows louder, resonating through every fiber of one's being. The sheer force and volume of water cascading down creates a sensation that is both thrilling and humbling, reminding us of nature's indomitable power. Angel Falls, with its sheer magnitude and breathtaking beauty, serves as a poignant reminder of the intrinsic value of preserving our natural wonders. It is a sanctuary where nature's artistry takes center stage, captivating all who is fortunate enough to experience it. It inspires awe, ignites a sense of adventure, and fosters a deep appreciation for the intricate balance of our planet's ecosystem. As visitors bid farewell to Angel Falls and make their way back to civilization, they carry with them memories that will last a lifetime. They become ambassadors for the preservation of such extraordinary places, reminding us of the importance of responsible stewardship and ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders that our world has to offer. Angel Falls, a true jewel of Venezuela, stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature and the boundless capacity for wonder that resides within us all. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the Travel Guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.